drawing op art. Op art, a form of abstract art that gives the illusion of movement by the precise use of pattern and color, or in which conflicting patterns emerge and overlap.
All right, using 7x7 square sheet of paper, I am going to go ahead and begin tracing my circle. Just like this. So now that I have my circle there, I am going to start to give myself because I'm going to use this to help me draw a grid. So, everywhere my line is going to be, I'm just going to use my pen now to draw my line. Where I see the circle, I'm going to just stop. So wherever the line meets the circle, I'm going to pause. Because we're doing pop art with the circle, so we have to make sure that we incorporate it in there. I can catch and make the notches at the top so that we can begin to make our box. So I'm just gonna make my notches with the pen for time's sake. And then you guys will be able to see it better too. Remember, your ruler always starts at 0. Dots I made. To line up the dots. Just like this. have that. These are going to be every other one. So if I need to, how I would do this, just so that I'm aware. So let's just say I want this to be black. I'll put a B in every other one. Oh no, I messed up. So this one right here should be white right here. So we could white that out. So B right here. That's what happens when you move too fast. When you're working with op art, we should be moving slow. Right here. Do this in pencil because from this point to this point, we want to give ourselves a nice curve. Now, from this point to this point, we want to cross that curve. Just like that. Now, from capture that curve right there. We want to capture that curve. And then from here, we'll capture that curve. So I'm just going to now draw the curve, follow the curve marker. I'll erase the lines that look a little crazy. Just like that, right? So now I have to continue where my lines are leaving off. So this is going to remain black right here. This one right here. Will remain black. I can kind of come in with my if I want to smooth out, make it a little bit more of a dramatic transition.
Sphere. This one is a little bit more difficult than maybe this one. This one, I'll have you thinking. So you have a sphere that you can grab. You can even get you a little highlight if you have a highlighter or anything you can highlight in there. So that you can make the sphere look a little bit more realistic. Add a little more shadow, light, depth, so I think it looks